A former student of mine recently asked me to do 2 questions for him as part of his revision for upcoming final exams. Both questions were very relevant to the Unit 2 Pure Mathematics syllabus, so that's the reason why I'm posting it here. It should be very useful to Unit 2 Pure Math students. This is the first question. We have to integrate 2e to the x divided by e to the x plus 1 with respect to x. You'll notice that this integral does not have limits. In other words, this is an indefinite integral, so we must remember to include the constant of integration at the end. This is a fraction. The numerator is 2e to the x and the denominator is e to the x plus 1. There are a few different techniques we have for integrating fractions. The one that pertains to this question is one that involves recognition. We must be able to recognize that the derivative of the denominator, that's e to the x plus 1, is actually e to the x, which is a scalar multiple of the numerator. So as long as the numerator can be expressed as a scalar multiple of the first derivative of the denominator, then the question is of this form. So this is an integral of the form f prime x over f of x, and these integrate in this way. It's simply going to give a result of f of x plus, of course, our constant of integration, because this is an indefinite integral. So as long as the fraction is of the form f prime x divided by f of x, or if we can carry out a minor adjustment to put it in this form, the result is simply f of x plus a constant. Good. So getting back to our problem, so this result, I'm going to put it in a box here. Getting back to our problem, the integral of 2e to the x over e to the x plus 1 with respect to x can be, we can get it in the form f prime x over f of x, like this. So we just mentioned that the first derivative of the denominator, e to the x plus 1, is e to the x, and 2e to the x is a scalar multiple of e to the x. It's equal to 2 times e to the x. So what we're going to do is take that 2 and carry it outside of the integral sign, like this, and then we would get e to the x over e to the x plus 1 with respect to x. So we haven't changed anything there. We merely took the 2, and we carried it outside of the integral sign. And now within this integral, e to the x over e to the x plus 1 is of the form f prime x over f of x. So this will simply integrate as 2. Remember, our f of x in this case is e to the x plus 1. So it's 2 times e to the x plus 1 plus our constant of integration. We can leave it like that, or if we want to expand the brackets, we get 2e to the x plus 2 plus our constant of integration. So when we add 2 to our constant of integration, we will get another constant, right? When we add one constant to another constant, we get another constant. So we could even rewrite this as 2e to the x plus k, where k is equal to 2 plus c.